We're doing a special deal tonight with Daily Driven Exotics. That YouTube money's real good, bro. Look at that shit. Richard Mill.
Dude, do you really have a money counter?
Well, we do business. Doesn't everybody have a money counter?
So, fun fact, all jokes aside, in Canada, it's illegal to carry more than like $5,000 in cash.
Really?
Yeah. Like, we don't see cash in Canada. People with money have black cards.
Then why'd you ask me for cash?
Because we're not in Canada right now, motherfucker.
Oh! Well, I didn't literally want to sit here and watch y'all count it unless you want to.
Are these ones?
Huh?
Don't fuck with me with ones.
Well, I mean...
How? Hold on. That's not money. Is it really money?
It's ones, bro. You better go strip club right after this.
Oh my god! Shut up. Let's see this.
I just put a bunch of other shit in there.
You actually have... Oh. I was going to say, no, it wouldn't have. It actually would have been kind of funny. My man.
Do you guys want to count it?
No. I trust you. I trust you.
I trust you after you watched it. Go through the money counter.
No, I was.
Well, hey, it's just like he said though.
Ironically, you think I was watching this? I'm actually making sure Dave got the shot. Actually, I was watching Dave's camera. I waited 6 months to have that kit made, and then 2 years during COVID to even unbox it. So it's been a long road for me, and I didn't even get it in.